y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a wig that I received from Eva Wigs. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. Please excuse me if I keep shaking my head, y'all. These bangs, like, I haven't wore bangs in such a long time, so I'm feeling myself. I can't even lie. Like, I'm absolutely in love with this wig. The wig that I received is going to be a blunt cut bob wig, and it's in the style SC013. Not sure what the name of this wig is. That's just what is labeled on the box. This is in a natural color. Length is 14 inches. The density is 150. The lace color is a medium brown, which I really love because I hate when I have a wig that's light brown because, of course, I'm darker skinned. The cap construction is a 3A and the cap size is average. Now, I have a really big head. I believe my circumference is about 23 inches. That's the size wig head that I do have when I make my wigs. So I really do have a bigger size head, but the good thing about this wig is that it comes with an elastic band already attached to it. Not only does it come with the elastic bands, but it also comes with 3 combs. Now, one thing that I can say is the con. I'm just gonna get into the cons first. Actually, should I do the cons first or the pro? I'll do the cons first because it's really only one con. The con that I have about this wig is that it does not come with the comb in the back. To me, I feel like, what's the point of having the 3 combs in the front, snatching out all my edges, if I can't secure it in the back to hold it down? So that's one of my favorite things about wigs, is being able to secure it, especially in the back. Because I mean, even with the combs in the front, I don't like to use all 3 of them. I'll probably use like one of them, and then usually I use that one in the back so that I know that I have one in the front and then one in the back to keep me covered. But this wig did not come with that in it, so that was one thing that I did not like. The pros of this hair, I absolutely love the texture of this hair. I don't even think I mentioned the texture. If you can see closely, this is a Yaki texture. It's a silk Yaki. Do y'all not understand? This hair has so much body to it for this to be like a Yaki, kinky type of hair. So this would mimic I wouldn't really say a silk press, but this would mimic you straightening out your natural hair. Like this texture would pretty much give me. So it's not a silky, straight, sleek hair texture. It's the actual Yaki texture. So I'm gonna get up close so you can see the actual texture of the hair. I absolutely love it. I love the bangs on it. As you can see, showing you before, I did have to go in and cut it. My advice with cutting the bangs would be to start off small. Start off small and inch your way up. So as you can see, I started off a little bit, then I inched my way up, and then I inched my way up some more once I got the desired look for my bang. So it just depends on you and what you want to do, honestly. Everybody is different, right? It does come with a pre-pluck hairline. I wouldn't really say that it's pre-plucked, but it is plucked a little bit. I'm not really too focused on the hairline because, as you can see, it has bangs. Usually when I put my wigs on, I would go ahead and make sure that I have the cap underneath secured down with Gots to Be glue. You didn't really have to do that for this because you don't really have the hairline showing. As you can see, it's really just bangs. So you really didn't have to do too much to this wig, and that's why I love it so much, because this is a get up and go type of wig. You put this thing on, you run your flat iron through it for a few seconds, and you're good to go. Like, literally, you don't really have to do anything to this wig. It's already constructed and ready for you to slay, and that's what I love so much about it. So this is going to be one of those protective styles that you can get so much use out of it. And not only that, but it's a 5-minute type of do. You really don't have to do too much to it to look bomb. So that's what I really love about it. Like how I was stating before, this hair is straight out of the box. I did not have to wash it, condition it. It doesn't have a bad smell to it. I did go ahead and add some of my hairspray, and it's kind of like a it's kind of like a heat protecting spray, but it has that smell with a hairspray. So I went ahead and I used that. But other than that, this hair is so bomb, y'all. Like, y'all gotta get it if y'all want something in y'all collection to be able to say, oh, I only have a certain amount of time to get ready. I don't know how I'm wearing my hair. I can throw this on and be good to go. So I love having stuff like this in my collection. The company did give you the actual caps for you to put on. Again, I put the cap on, but you don't really need to secure it like how you would do other lace front wigs, because again, the hairline isn't showing. And then also I noticed that this is kind of like I don't really say that it's a 360 wig, but it does have that lace in the back, I guess, for you to put the hair up. I'm not going to be putting the hair up because to me that defeats the whole purpose of getting this style. If I wanted to put the hair up, I just don't see the point in that. So I will not be putting this hair up. It's gonna stay the way that it is. I know that this wig come in different lengths, so if you want it to go shorter, you could go shorter. If you want it to go longer, you can go longer. I know with me, I wanted that blunt cut bob look, so that was the reason why I got it in this length. Again, I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.